In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Webull. We'll walk through the process in a web browser so you can sign in quickly and securely, even if it's your first time using the site. Start by opening your preferred browser and going to https://www.webull.com. It's a good habit to type the address directly or use a trusted bookmark. Before you continue, take a quick look at the address bar to confirm you're on the official site and that you see a secure connection indicator. This helps protect your account from lookalike pages. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Log In. If you're on a smaller screen or a narrow window, this option may be tucked into a menu icon. Expand it and select Log In from there. The login window will appear with fields for your credentials. On the sign-in screen, enter the email address or phone number associated with your Webull account, along with your password. Take a moment to check for common typing issues like accidental spaces, caps lock, or the wrong keyboard language. If you use a reputable password manager, let it fill your credentials to reduce errors. For security, avoid signing in on public computers and keep your credentials private. After submitting your login details, you may be prompted to complete two-factor authentication. This is an added layer of security that sends a one-time code to your registered email or phone. Open the inbox or messaging app linked to your account and look for the code. Enter it exactly as shown. These codes are time-sensitive, so if one expires, wait for the system to send a fresh code and use that. Never share your code with anyone. It's meant only for you in that moment. When your credentials and verification code are accepted, you'll be taken into your Webull account in the browser. You should now see the full trading interface, including your watch lists, charts, account balances, and the trade ticket. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct account and that your data looks as expected. If you see an option to stay signed in, apply it only on a personal trusted device. When you're done trading on a shared or public machine, remember to log out to keep your account secure. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Webull.com, click Log In, enter your email or phone with your password, complete the two-factor code, and you're in. Thanks for watching and happy trading.